In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called finding the slope given the graph of a line on a grid. So we've got a line right here and it's got a couple data points highlighted and it's asking us to find the slope of that line. The slope of any line is given by what we refer to as the rise over the run between any 2 points on the line. So in this case, we're looking at the rise and the run between those 2 points. Now the rise is referring to motion up or down the y-axis. So the rise is referring to motion up or down on the y-axis, and run is referring to movement or motion, change in position along the x-axis. If we are going up the y-axis, that corresponds to a positive rise. If we're going down on the y-axis, that's a negative rise. If we're going to the right on the y-axis, that would be a positive run. And if we're going to the left, that would be a negative run. And those signs correspond to the signs of the numbers up and down and left and right on the x and y axis. So to get our slope, what we are going to do is start at the first point. It doesn't matter which one we start at. I'm going to pick this one right here. And I am going to count how many spaces I rise on my way to the second point. So starting here, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. And I went up, so that's a positive 6. My rise is positive 6. And then for my run, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go back to that spot where I was. I was right here. I'm going to figure out how many spaces I moved to get to the second spot. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the right. So again, that's a positive number. I don't need to write those positive signs. My slope is 6/4. Now, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure that ALEKS would not be happy if I wrote 6/4 over here. I think it wants me to simplify that fraction, which would be 3/2. Would not even risk typing 6/4 in to ALEKS for this problem.